In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share a DocuSign template step by step. If you're working with a team and need others to access, edit, or send documents using the same template, this is the fastest and easiest way to do it. Sharing templates properly can save you time, keep your documents consistent, and make collaboration much smoother. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can follow along without missing anything. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can do this by heading to apps.docusign.com and logging in to your account. Make sure you're signed in with the account that owns the template you want to share. Once you're inside your DocuSign dashboard, you'll see the main navigation menu where you can manage envelopes, templates, and other settings. Next, click on Templates. This option is usually located in the top navigation bar. When you click on Templates, DocuSign will take you to the Templates Management area where you can view all the templates associated with your account. After that, click on My Templates. This section shows all the templates that you personally created or have ownership of. Take a moment to locate the specific template that you want to share with another user or team member. Once you've found the correct template, look to the right side of that template row and click on the three dots. These three dots open a drop-down menu with additional actions you can take for that specific template. This is where the sharing option is located. From the drop-down menu, click on Share with Users. When you select this option, a sharing window will appear. This is where you can choose who gets access to your template. Depending on your account type, you may be able to search for users within your organization. Now click on Share. Before confirming, make sure you've selected the correct users and reviewed the permissions available. Some accounts allow you to control whether users can only use the template or also edit it. Once you're ready, confirm the sharing action. DocuSign will then grant access to the selected users, and they'll be able to find the template in their own account, depending on the permissions you've assigned. And that's it. You've successfully shared a DocuSign template. This makes collaboration much easier, especially if your team regularly sends out the same agreements, contracts, or forms and needs standardized documents across the organization. Just to quickly recap, go to DocuSign, click on Templates, open My Templates, select the three dots next to your template, choose Share with Users, and then click Share to confirm. Simple and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow DocuSign and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.